it's Amelia with Polk County Public Libraries, and today I'm going to show you how to make an omelet in a mug. If you haven't already, you can stop by the Columbus or Saluda Library and pick up a mug kit that comes with a mug and a special paint pen that you can use to decorate your mug, and that also has instructions on baking your mug so that your mug is dishwasher safe. Alright, so we are going to make an omelet in a mug. To get started, you will need 2 eggs, and you'll also need a tablespoon each of cheese, pepper, and onions. So these are chives, but you can use onions if you want, and these are sweet peppers. And we're also going to use a touch of salt and pepper for flavor, and a little bit of milk. So we're going to use a tablespoon of milk. We're going to add all these ingredients, bake them in the microwave, and then we'll see what delicious treat comes out. So I'm going to start adding my ingredients in here. Oh wait, first I'm going to sit my egg right there. I'm going to spray the inside of my mug so my omelet doesn't stick to the inside. So I'm going to use cooking spray to do that. And I'm going to add my egg. Well, both of my eggs actually. I'm going to add in a tablespoon of milk. If you don't have a tablespoon at home, you can use a teaspoon measuring spoon and add 3 teaspoons to equal 1 tablespoon. I'm going to fill this over the sink in case I make a mess. So there's 1, 2, 3. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to beat this with a fork. This is going to mix the egg yolks together with the milk. You're going to kind of stir it together and beat the eggs together, breaking up those yolks. I don't know if you can see that in this video. We got it all mixed up. And then we're going to add our ingredients. We're going to add our pepper. And you can add as much pepper as you want. The recipe recommends a tablespoon of pepper. I'm going to add chives to it. This also makes it really colorful too. And cheese. Cheese is my favorite part. All right. Now I'm going to put this into the microwave and bake it for 30 seconds. All right, so you're going to put your mug in the microwave for 30 seconds. Take it out, stir it, put it in for another 30 seconds. Take it out, stir it, put it in for another 30 seconds for a total of 1.5 minutes. And then you will have omelet perfection. And it will look very similar to that.